Alrighty, good evening. It is 7:53 right now on a Friday night, July 2nd, 2021. It is Vlog 118. I missed the last couple days because I just didn't feel like it. Actually, I just got busy. Wednesday is usually a busy day anyway, so I will recap from that day on. Today was a beautiful day. Actually, it was cool in the morning and then it got really warm, so it was pretty crazy. I won't show it because it's already late. But anyways, Wednesday, KK woke us up because she was sick, so she came home from work and came home sick. This leads up to right now, but didn't sleep well. I kept tossing and turning that night. Got up, had a juice, and been practicing a new song. Oh, I just been practicing my new song. I will be doing a video soon. But I think I woke up too early and I was tossing and turning, so I took a nap. But then I had Maddie's lesson at 3 o'clock, so usually I leave at 2 o'clock for that. But the Maddie handpan lesson was awesome, as always. Actually, her handpan was kind of dirty, so I go, yeah, we need to clean your handpan. So she cleaned it, and then she cleaned mine, and then Tim's. We all cleaned our handpans. It was pretty funny. They were all into it. And so we did that. Maddie's definitely getting better. I'm teaching her the Austin Funk, and we keep practicing that. And she can play melodies off of it right now. It's pretty good. Now she just needs to. It's still her fingers. It just takes practice. She'll get there. It's just funny when she focuses. I can see her face. Like she's focused, and then her mind wanders and then she starts slapping it. It's pretty funny. But yeah, it's just a matter of focus. We played a couple jams together. Also, we played tag. Oh my god, I haven't played tag in a while. That is a very tiring game. They tired me out in like 5 minutes. That was kind of crazy. But yeah, tag and then hide and seek. It's always fun. I like playing the games. Pretty cool. And then had great conversations with Steph and Stephanie and Tim. It's always good conversations with those guys. Very kind of eclectic crew, but cool in a way. And then Ook Social, there was only Nikki that day, and it was cool. Every time it's just me and Nikki, it's pretty fun. So we have I actually kind of like it one-on-one because I can just sing. I can just do whatever, and it's pretty fun. And then let's see. Oh, Sam made us some dinner with chicken curry. That was really good, actually. And I had some rice leftovers. I did that. So that was Wednesday. And then Thursday, we started early meeting with Dave to film a lifestyle video. Oh yeah, and then we did the lifestyle video with Dave, and that was fun. Actually, we went out to the jetty. And I'll put some inserts. Here, put some inserts in right here. All right, here we are. It is July 1st.
July 1st.
July 1st. And actually today we're doing a lifestyle video.
Yes.
For DII. Dave just came over and we're gonna go out to the jetty. Here's Dave.
Here's Dave.
Here I
am. What are we doing today? Oh, he's picking up the marn. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, we're going to the jetty, which I've never gone all the way to the.
Oh, wait, I'm back.
Never gone all the way to the end of the jetty, so I want to check it out to see what it's like. I know it's a little bit of a hike going out there. We're going to give it a try.
I've never been out there either.
It's a little sunny today, so I'm not sure if it's going to be a good day to play the handpan. But you know what? Go out there with no fear and just see what happens, because you never know what's going to happen on a day you take your handpan. Handpans are magic.
Yes.
Like,
absolutely.
If you take your handpan somewhere, all of a sudden, boom, you've got like something going on. There's something cool always happens when you have your handpan. So
well, maybe
we'll go out there and just check it out.
Maybe we can maybe we'll go down, do some shots, see if we can get a recording, and then go to the pier.
Yeah.
And then go play, and then go play. That'd be sick. Whatever, whatever's good.
Yeah.
And just play, and just play. Actually, I should. Dang, I should bring my handpan. All right, we're signing off.
There we are.
So that's what we're doing today. I think this is gonna be part of my vlog, but I'll just record the whole thing anyways. Us walking out there, all that other stuff. So, all right, first day of July. I cannot believe it's July already. July 4th this weekend, and it's a beautiful day. So,
It really is.
I will see you in a minute.
Like, what do you do there that keeps you there? Like, I don't understand. I just don't get it.
They can't get over there. A lot of people are living their teenage years over and over again, and they're just older. Alrighty, here we are. We're over at Alamitos Bay. We're about to walk out to the jetty, and I've never done this before. Dave said he has done it. You said you went out to the jetty?
No, I've only gone part way.
Part
So
way.
I want to go all the way to the end today, which is like a quarter mile.
Do you have water?
I got water.
All right.
I'm gonna get some sunscreen.
Alright, cool. So we're actually doing an in-city mission. This is kind of cool. Well, it's, you know, we live in California by the beach, and we're lucky like that, but yeah, we're gonna do a jetty run, and once we walk out here, I'll show you where we're going, and you'll be like, oh, okay. Hopefully we don't slip and hurt ourselves, because if they have to come and get us,
Yeah.
it's a mission. It's definitely a mission, so pretty cool. We'll see you in a minute. All right, here we are. We're at, wow,
Right.
there used to be a skate thing here. That's so crazy. It's gone now. There used to be a little quarter pipe thing right here, and then one over there, but it's gone. All right, here we go. We're about to walk all the way down to the end. Dave said he's only gone halfway,
Yep.
and all the way to the end, so we'll see what happens here.
I'm kind of excited because I don't know what's at the end. I'm assuming people fish off the end all the time, but it's pretty far out there. It might be kind of just fun seeing the boats go by and stuff. I mean, I'm really looking forward to it actually because I've never done it.
Well, here we go.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Walkie, walkie, walkie. Is it dirt like this the whole way, or does it get rocky?
No, it's rock.
Oh my god, that'd be cool. I go, oh, that'd be cool.
It's gonna be a workout, man.
Alright, it's windy out here too, so hopefully we're gonna get some good audio. I think we're alright. This audio works out pretty well. So, alright, I'm gonna put this away so I can walk. See what happens. See you in a minute.
We're about halfway, so looking good so far. Gonna watch our step because there's so many cracks and crevices.
There's holes everywhere.
And now you can see the surfers out there though.
Yeah.
Some waves, so that's our goal, the end of the jetty. So here we go.
Yeah. Alright, it's windy as hell out here. We're out on the peninsula. Dave is behind me right now. You can see him right there. And yeah, let me do a pan around. Actually, I'll do it this way. Long Beach. Dave making it to the end. Seal Beach. And Orange County. This is actually kind of crazy because this is the exact line between Orange County and Long Beach. Yeah, kind of crazy. And we got cruise ships rocking. So we made it down this long ass thing. How do you feel, Dave?
This is great. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. And it's kind of, you know, like, you just go that way. There's not much there. I think you might hit Catalina.
I think so.
See it today, it's a little hazy.
Yeah, it's a little hazy. No, Cat.
And after that, I don't know what's after Catalina. You'd just be going into the Pacific Ocean forever.
Yeah.
So we're kind of at the limit here of Orange County and LA County.
Yes.
This is the line here.
This is the tower. All the way at the end, we got proof we made it down here.
Perfect. Our little lonesomes here.
Take a break, and then we're gonna give some handpan love.
Yep.
I might have to pee real quick.
I'll get that on camera.
All right, we're out here. Good stuff. See you in a minute. Boom. So those are my little inserts that I put in there, but yeah, we had a good time. Actually, I've never been out to the end of that. They're in Long Beach, right on the border of Seal Beach and Long Beach. I think it's Los Alamitos Bay right there, and Marina Pacifica. But there's two jetties, or two different jetties there, and there's one. You can walk on one on the Long Beach side, but then there's one right in the middle, and I think that's the line for Long Beach and Seal Beach, because I remember surfing when I was younger. I used to surf in the Seal Beach spot, and that place it used to be really dirty, but it looks like they cleaned it up really well. But yeah, I remember surfing, and there was like trash, and it was pretty gnarly. But I guess they've been cleaning up over the years, and that was a long time ago. So. But it was cool because we walked out there, and it takes 25 minutes about to get there, about an hour, and then like up and back it's like an hour walking, but it's on the boulders, so you just have to like watch out for cracks, homeless people, glass, bird poop, and yeah, all of that. But it was fun. We got to the end. It was pretty cool to be at the end of that. It's just you're on the edge. It's kind of pretty cool. And then we played handpan, which was fun, and I filmed Dave doing that. And it was cool. I got some good shots, and yeah. If you ever get a chance, take a little hike, a mini hike. We were calling it like in-city adventures, because that is kind of a little bit of adventure. It's pretty cool. But anyways. Yeah, that was that day, and then I was tired when I came home, and then I took a nap, and I just wasn't feeling it that day either. Yesterday I was just like, wow. Oh, Kitty, actually I forgot. See, I'm hanging out with Kitty. Piggy, hi. Oops, wrong way. Oh my gosh, I messed her up. Dang, she's been sitting there the whole time too. Anyways, she went over here. Hi, Mom Liz. Oh yes. Let's see. And then today, it was kind of slow, weird day. And then, I just had a lot of thinking to do this morning. It's kind of crazy. Did that, and then we had some like DIY stuff that we had to take care of. Oh God, I messed up so bad. It's kind of crazy. But anyways, I'm taking care of it. Wrong ukulele to the wrong customer. Wrong ukulele to the right customer. Oh my gosh, wrong. And he's all the way in Greece. That sucked. But anyways, worked on the DIY lifestyle video a little bit. That's what those little clips you saw. And then had an uk appointment, so I had to go to DIY with Michael, and he bought a little soprano. Michael's a golf guy, has some time, wants to do something else, and he figured ukulele's cool. Gave him some cheat sheets, some tips, and sent him on his way. He was pretty cool. And then, let's see, all day the internet's been spotty, so hopefully, the internet's working right now, so hopefully I upload this video on time. But that's basically all I have all today. I'm kind of like tired right now, but I already did my tuning. I already did some ukulele stuff. This weekend is July 4th weekend, and yeah, it's July 4th weekend. I think we're doing something tomorrow. I don't know what's up. We're just chilling. Usually we just chill. We don't party. So, and I don't drink that much anymore. I don't like getting drunk. It's kind of crazy. But anyways, I like to have a beer, but it always hurts, and I don't know. It's fun with friends, but not too much, in moderation. But anyways, I'm trying to think of anything else that happened. Oh, Carrie, and then Kaylee was sick on Wednesday. Now Carrie's sick right now. I got her some soup. Hopefully she's doing okay. But yeah, she caught whatever Kaylee had. So hopefully she's gonna be okay. So, but anyways, and then tonight I went to Olive's. Yeah, I went to Olive's to get her some soup, and I had some olive sandwich, and I have some good ice cream for dessert. So that's gonna be awesome. I shouldn't be eating ice cream, but it's just too good. YOLO. Just kidding. But anyways, let's see what else is happening this week. I can't think of anything right now, but I can always catch up later. But yeah, it is Friday. It is July 2nd. It is it July 2nd? Gosh, it's already July 2nd. July 4th this weekend. Everybody's gonna be partying. And it is Vlog 118, and like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele.